guys, oh man, we're at Burger King. I was just informed that they introduced a new chicken sandwich. I don't think you've heard about this or even heard news about this. This is like hot off the press. Not available at all stations either. This is only available at certain Burger King. So I like Burger King. It's the you get the most bang for your buck here at Burger King. Maybe it's not the best quality in the world, I don't know. Tastes fine to me. Holy mackerel, we got a big line ahead of us too. Oh man. So what we have here is a new chicken sandwich. It's called the hand battered chicken sandwich. It's a, I think this is Burger King's answer to the Popeyes chicken sandwich and the Chick-fil-A. Plus they of course, this lady just went the wrong way. Now she's in the back of the line. And she just ran over the curb. But that's alright. So they've got a burger. It looks like it's one of those, you know, the bun is buttered, grilled in the flat top. The chicken, the pickles, and that's it. And then they do one more like their traditional chicken sandwich with the tomato and the lettuce. And they got one with bacon on it. This is just what I saw on the menu. It might be different when I get to the pull-up thing here. I checked my local Burger King. I'm thinking Whopper in my head. And my local one didn't have it. So we're 2 states away in the beautiful state of Rhode Island. And gotta see what we got here. Is this better than Popeyes? My favorite fast food item of all time is the Popeyes chicken sandwich. With a close second, Chick-fil-A. Will this take the new first place position from Popeyes? I've had a bad one for Popeyes too. I mean, you never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes you get one that's like, you know, they get the employees that are lazy, and they'll just pre-cook like 30 of those chicken sandwiches. You get one that's soggy, it's not hot anymore. So we're hoping to get a fresh one. It's gonna cost about $9 after tax. Very expensive meal. But I'm willing to put forth that cash for you guys. For you guys. Some of you guys liked the little green screen effect we did last time. We'll try that again. Another guy trying to pass me. Look at this guy. It's like, girl, that line's too big. I'm gonna take a shortcut. Let's see if he runs over the curb. Oh, wrong way. Oh, I'm so mad. Accurate guy now. He's pretty cool. If it was an Audi driver, he'd be like flaming, he'd be like cussing and screaming and flipping out. I wonder if this line here is just always this big, or just. When I was here yesterday. I was actually here yesterday. I was here like it was like 5 o'clock at night, and I had a really small lunch, and like supper was like 3 hours away, so I had a long drive back. This is far from home. So I said I'll get the 8-piece chicken things for $1. So I just wanted something small, something cheap. And I get to the window, $2.16. I'm like, somehow there's not, you know, $1.16 worth of tax on this thing. Come to find, well, I'm in Rhode Island, by the way. It didn't, you know, maybe the taxes are crazy here. Who knows? So I get the line was really small. But it's at, you know, 5 o'clock at night. And they gave me 2 sets of spicy chicken tenders. I asked for 1. But, you know, whatever. It was good. It's like I saw Randy and Vaughn do theirs, the 40 nuggets. They both did them. So it was like $15 each just for the nuggets. So 30 bucks for 80 nuggets. That would cost you here $10. $10 for the exact same thing. Cost you 30 bucks at McDonald's. And the Burger King ones taste better, you know? I think if you're doing one of these challenges, you know, I don't know. It's just like a, you know, I don't know. The chicken nuggets are chicken nuggets. You know, there's not much difference in size. Burger King ones are spicier. They taste better. And they're cheaper.
Okay, go ahead, may I take your order?
Yeah, can I get the hand-breaded original crispy chicken sandwich meal?
Sure, we got small, medium, or large today.
Medium.
Coke to drink?
Can I get a cherry Coke Zero?
You got it. Anything else?
That's it.
928, come on up.
Thank you. Oh, that guy's so friendly. 828, come on up. What a nice guy. 828, is it 828 or 9? Thank you. It's 928. Thank you, sir. Jeez, I'm thinking longest video of all time. Sorry. All right, guys, we got a medium French fry. We got a quarter bag of bonus fries. Woo! Woohoo! But who cares about that? Put them in there to cool down a little bit. A new bag. Just like our fine friends at Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah. We're not gonna do the green screen yet because the pickle looks funny with the green screen because it's green. Holy mackerel. They got this thing loaded with... Let me get my face out of the way. I don't know what's on this thing. Big piece of chicken, 2 pickles. It's a tangy mustard, maybe mustard mayo. It's good. The chicken's fat, but it's not filling out the whole. It's upside down, I say. It's not filling out all the bread. There's pickles in the bottom too. Never mind. Never mind. Let's give this thing. Let's sink our teeth into this bad boy. Oh, good. It's juicy. It's a juicy Lucy. Thick and juicy, crispy, a little spicy, a little messy. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I think a little bit less sauce would be a good thing. But flavor-wise, it's good. The thickness of the chicken is quality. It's thick, it's juicy. It's much better than the regular variety of chicken sandwiches. Good job, Burger King. Good job. Could be a bigger piece of chicken though. Not gonna lie to you. Back part of my chicken sandwich is not looking so hot. But that's what you get with fast food. You never know. Quality is not always consistent. Texture-wise, something's off. I don't know if this was previously frozen, but texture-wise, this is something just a little bit off. Flavor-wise, it's good. I'd have to get this again. But this is third place right now. I'd still say Popeye's number one. Popeye's is still number one. Chick-fil-A number two. Burger King number three for this style of chicken sandwich. All right, guys. Thank you for spending your lunch with me today. I love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.